I made a video too.
Did you do a wait? Did you do a cooking with Dan and Lou minus the Dan?
Minus the Dan. Okay, guys. So today I thought I would do something by myself. Daniel doesn't know I'm doing this. This is all, it's sort of a surprise for him because he loves these. They're bacon and cream cheese. They're jalapenos stuffed with cream cheese and wrapped with bacon. And they're not easy to make. Well, they're not hard to make. They're just time consuming. So I thought I would be nice and make them for Daniel, but I thought I'd go ahead and make a video doing a little bit of it. It's not going to be a long video. It'll just be a short video. So I just got fresh jalapenos, bacon, and cream cheese. It's really easy. And I'm actually going to de-seed the jalapenos. And I'm gonna do half jalapenos because these are really big. I'll start probably coughing because they're very, very strong. I have a feeling these are gonna be hot. They just smell hot. I should probably leave some seeds in them because Daniel insists that, you know, jalapenos are not that hot, but if I leave a seed in them, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that to them. I'll actually wash them after I de-seed them all. Look how big. They're like as big as my hand. They're huge. So that's why we're cutting them in half. Plus, they're not healthy for you, but they're not that bad for you. He's probably going to be really, really shocked that I'm doing this for him. I was going to make them all today, but I'm not going to make all of them because it's a lot. Oh no, the seeds are getting on the bacon. So I'm just going to do these for now so I can show y'all what I'm doing. This is just going to be a little video, okay? So, let me wash these. So quiet around here right now because Jake and Lissa are still in Alaska. They should be coming home tomorrow, I believe. Bree and Laramie and the kids are all in Oklahoma right now. So Brinley is actually here, but Brinley's down at Buddy and Steph's playing with Elora and she's gonna actually have a sleepover with her tonight. Kind of makes me sad because when she comes here, she's supposed to be sleeping with us. We like to snuggle with her. All right, these are all clean. I see a little seed right there. Okay. So I guess because I'm bored, I'm looking for stuff to do because we're used to people being here all the time. So I'm just going to stuff these with the cream cheese. These are huge. I can't believe how big these jalapenos are. I love cream cheese. And I did find me some gloves because I do not, last time I used, the last time I did jalapenos and I didn't use gloves, my hands burned for like probably 2 days straight. They burned. No matter what I used, soap and water, everything. I would stick my hands in ice water to make them stop. I might not have enough cream cheese for all of these anyways, so we're just gonna make what we can with what we got. But Daniel will be so excited because he loves these. Okay, so now I'm going to take a piece of bacon. I'm sure y'all have made these. A lot of people have made these before. So you just wrap it around. And I get a toothpick. You know what? I'm not going to do a toothpick because they're just going to lay there like that. They shouldn't come undone. Let's use a smaller pan since I only did. Ugh, these peppers are strong. So when I'm done cooking them, I'm going to call Daniel because he's outside doing stuff on the tractor. When I'm done cooking these, I'm going to call him in and surprise him. And I'll make sure and get his reaction on camera so y'all can see how proud of me he is. Oh, I was like, yeah, we have one more. I lost the pepper. Okay. I think in the air fryer, I don't know if, I mean, in my opinion with the air fryer, you shouldn't have to rotate stuff, but I think that's the only way it gets done is if you rotate it. On both, I mean, if you want it crispy all the way around. Okay. We're gonna, here's how they look. See how fast and simple that is? But when you're making a lot, it takes a little bit of time. So we're gonna put these in here. Oh boy. Okay. Air fry. Okay. All right, they're going. We got them in there for 10 minutes. We're going to see how they turn out. When they're done, I will be back to show you. Okay. I hear Daniel coming up from the back on his side-by-side. I just wanted to show y'all what they look like. They look so good. The bacon's crispy like he likes it. So we're going to go meet him. Oops. That's my plant light. Everybody asked what the purple light is. It's my plants that I brought in from outside. So let's go meet him. Hey.
Hey.
I got something for you.
For me?
I did something for you.
Look what old Kelby brought us.
Oh, wow. That is huge.
A fish frying pan there, boy.
That's awesome. Wow.
What do you got?
Okay,
First of all, why are you videoing me?
I want to show you something that I did.
Oh, Lord.
Do you smell that?
Yeah,
Can you smell anything?
Smells good.
Go look over there on the bar.
What? You made those?
In the air fryer.
That bacon looks so crispy, isn't
I know.
it? Have
Yeah.
you had one?
No, I haven't ate one yet.
Wow.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does. Wait a minute.
I made a video too.
Did you do a cooking with Dan and Lou minus the Dan?
Minus the Dan. And it probably was kind of boring because it was just me. It wasn't as fun with just me.
Well, yeah,
But it's
baby.
a look. It's.
I'm old Dan.
Oh no.
I'm old Dan.
No.
Of course not just as fun with just you.
No, it wasn't fun. Just me by myself.
I know.
It's kind of boring.
Ooh, how hot are they?
Well, that one
They're still
that's the
warm.
one that just came
Still
out.
very warm.
Get one of, the little pans. Don't hold over the pan. That's an argument Daniel and I have constantly. Like when he cuts our pineapple up and puts it in a bowl, instead of getting his own bowl, he'll just eat over the whole bowl like it's all his and nobody else's.
That's very good.
Thanks.
Oh, there's one over here.
Couldn't understand a word you said.
What is that?
Oh, I'm fixing to put them on that platter with the napkins to get the grease off of them.
Come on, make them look pretty.
Well, of course.
We're not paper towels.
I know. There's a towel right there.
Well,
All right.
this is another argument that we have.
What?
When I use the towel sometimes.
No, that towel you can use. That
What
towel
can I-
on the stove
wait.
you cannot.
What can I not do with this towel?
Wipe your mouth
Wipe my mouth.
because you're not the only one that uses that towel.
And I love to use towels to wipe my mouth.
Well,
Well, baby, that's awesome. I can't believe you made that on your own.
I know.
And I really
Like I was telling them, Jake and Bree are gone. Jake's in Alaska right now. Bree and Laramie are going to Oklahoma. Brinley was supposed to be having a sleepover with us, but she chose to go have a sleepover with Elora tonight. So I was just bored.
And you made, I can't believe you made a video.
I know.
How long was it?
My first cooking part was only 10 minutes. I didn't show the whole.
Do we need to edit it? Do we need to edit anything?
Well, yes.
Why? What did you do wrong that we need to cut
Nothing
out?
is wrong. I just.
What did you do that we need to cut out?
I don't think you had to cut anything I did out. It's all perfect.
Yeah, okay. Nobody here to give you side eyes or anything?
Well, if they could see me right now, they'd be seeing me do it. No.
Well, that's awesome. That's what you called me up here for?
Yep.
Well, can I take some back out to the guys?
Yes, you can.
Which pan?
Um.
We're not going to eat all of them.
No.
We're gonna
No.
pizza.
I just
thing
want.
like this pan?
No, you could take them all.
No. We're not going to. We just all had pizza. We're not going to eat all these.
Well. Okay. Well, we'll figure it out. Okay. All right. Bye, guys.
See ya.